happy day.
To make the most of the telephone hands-free function, or to listen to streamed music, we are going to pair your smartphone. Please go to the Bluetooth menu on your smartphone and select the system name from the proposed list. On the system, then accept the request to connect the phone. Select the phone audio streaming and mobile internet data functions, and it's done.
Happy day.
On new ë-C4, this function is used to program the temperature in the passenger compartment, i.e. 21 degrees C, for the desired days and times. Let's program one together. Press the Home button, then press Climate menu. Press Options. Select Temperature Conditioning. Press on the plus at the top right. Choose the time for entering the vehicle and the days covered by this time. Press OK. To end, press On to activate the program. The vehicle will trigger the air conditioning or heating about 45 minutes before the programmed time and will be maintained for 10 minutes after, thereby ensuring your optimum thermal comfort when you set off.
Happy day. Happy day.
You can also prepare and program a remote planned charge with your smartphone from your My Citroën app. Here are 2 tutorials to help you understand.
Oh, when we smile, when we just smile, oh, when we ride away. Happy day. We drive back home. So safe, woman safe, woman safe. Ooh, happy day. Ooh, happy day. When we just smile. Oh, when we smile. When we just smile. Oh, when we ride away. Oh, happy day. Ooh, happy day. Ooh, happy day. When we just smile. Oh, when we smile. When we just smile. Oh, when we ride away. Happy day. We drive back home. So safe, woman safe, woman safe. Ooh, happy day. Ooh, happy day. When we just smile. Oh, happy day.
There are 4 USB sockets in the vehicle. Only the USB-C driver side on the console can exchange data and charge your smartphone. You can thus listen to music on your device or start the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto functions. All the other USBs are for charging your devices only.